Good day, Miss Irish. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Iris Almosa. I'm 33 years old. I'm single parents of one kid. I have 3 brothers. My father is passed away. My mother is a housewife. I'm high school graduate. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 2 years since 2010, 2013. And also, I also work for domestic helper in KSE since August 26, 2013 and 2015, September 31. My major duties is child care, age 10 to 17 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities and how you take care of children?
Yes, sir, madam. I fulfill meals for this, send them to school, play with them, and read book story with them. I love children very much.
Aside of taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
I do cooking, washing, cleaning, car washing.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
I do cook like Filipino food and Arabic food.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. I follow the rules my employer and I do household routine every day.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because yes, sir, madam, because I need to support my family and to my kids.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. I hope, sir, madam, will consider to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before when, kindly show your best smile.